Question word how in Tagalog. How in Filipino is paano. Paano. In this video, we will look at sentences that show how or paano is used to ask in what way, manner, method, or process things are done. We will also see some examples where paano is used as a conjunction that combines two clauses to form a sentence. Example 1. Paano ko maipaliliwanag kung sabad ka ng sabad? Paano ko maipaliliwanag kung sabad ka ng sabad? Meaning, how can I explain if you keep on butting in? How can I explain if you keep on butting in? Paano ka nakarating dito? Paano ka nakarating dito? How did you get here? How did you get here? Paano nagsimula ang COVID-19? Paano nagsimula ang COVID-19? How did COVID-19 start? How did COVID-19 start? Paano ko malalaman kung may diabetes ako? Paano ko malalaman kung may diabetes ako? How do I know if I have diabetes? How do I know if I have diabetes? Paano mo hinahandle ang stress? Paano mo hinahandle ang stress? How do you handle stress? How do you handle stress? Paano ako makakapag-donate ng dugo? Paano ako makakapag-donate ng dugo? How can I donate blood? How can I donate blood? Paano ako makakatulog ng mabilis? Paano ako makakatulog ng mabilis? How can I sleep fast? How can I sleep fast? Paano natin maiiwasan yon? Paano natin maiiwasan yon? How can we avoid that? How can we avoid that? Pwede mo ba akong turuan kung paano magluto ng mechado? Pwede mo ba akong turuan kung paano magluto ng mechado? Can you teach me how to cook mechado? Can you teach me how to cook mechado? Pakituruan mo naman ako kung paano magganchilyo. Pakituruan mo naman ako kung paano magganchilyo. Meaning, please teach me how to crochet. Please teach me how to crochet. Alam ko kung paano gawin yan. Alam ko kung paano gawin yan. I know how to do that. Or I know how to do it. Paano ka natutong mag-Pranses? Paano ka natutong mag-Pranses? How did you learn French? How did you learn French? Paano kaya ginawa ang mga basket na ito? Paano kaya ginawa ang mga basket na ito? I wonder how these baskets are made. I wonder how these baskets are made. Paano ka nakakasigurado? Paano ka nakakasigurado? How can you be so sure? How can you be so sure? Paano nakatakas ang preso? Paano nakatakas ang preso? How did the prisoner escape? How did the prisoner escape? Ipinakita niya kay Arfat kung paano yun gawin. Ipinakita niya kay Arfat kung paano yun gawin. She showed Arfat how to do it. She showed Arfat how to do it. Hindi ko alam kung paano maglaro ng chess. Hindi ko alam kung paano maglaro ng chess. I don't know how to play chess. I don't know how to play chess. Hindi ko alam kung paano nangyari ito. Or hindi ko alam kung paano nangyari yon. I don't know how it happened. I don't know how it happened. Paano ko naging kasalanan yon? Paano ko naging kasalanan yon? How is it my fault? How is it my fault? Paano binibigkas ang pangalan mo? Paano binibigkas ang pangalan mo? How do you pronounce your name? How do you pronounce your name? Paano mo nahanap? Paano mo nahanap? How did you find it? How did you find it? Paano mo nakuha to? Paano mo nakuha to? How did you get this? How did you get this? Paano nalaman ni Vanessa? Paano nalaman ni Vanessa? How did Vanessa find out? How did Vanessa find out? Paano ispelengin ang apelyido mo? Paano ispelengin ang apelyido mo? Ispelengin is obviously an English loan word, so this sentence means, how do you spell your last name? How do you spell your last name? Paano ako makararating sa Luneta mula rito? Paano ako makararating sa Luneta mula rito? How can I get to Luneta from here? How can I get to Luneta from here? Paano siya nakitungo sa'yo? Paano siya nakitungo sa'yo? How did he behave towards you? How did he behave towards you? Paano namatay si JFK? Paano namatay si JFK? How did JFK die? How did JFK die? Paano mo babaguhin yon? Paano mo babaguhin yon? How would you change it? How would you change it? Paano ang gusto mo sa steak? Paano ang gusto mo sa steak? How do you like your steak done? How do you like your steak done? Paano ka matulog? Nakatihaya o nakatagilid? Paano ka matulog? Nakatihaya o nakatagilid? How do you sleep? On your back or on your side? How do you sleep? On your back or on your side? Paano nyo ipinagdiriwang ang Pasko? Paano nyo ipinagdiriwang ang Pasko? How do you celebrate Christmas? How do you celebrate Christmas? Hindi ko alam kung paano ako nakauwi kagabi. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako nakauwi kagabi. I don't know how I got home last night. I don't know how I got home last night. Paano ko ba patitigilin ang sinok? Paano ko ba patitigilin ang sinok? How do I get rid of the hiccups? How do I get rid of the hiccups? Paano sasabihin ang dozen sa Tagalog? Paano sasabihin ang dozen sa Tagalog? How do you say dozen in Tagalog? How do you say dozen in Tagalog? Paano mo sasalubungin ang bagong taon? Paano mo sasalubungin ang bagong taon? How will you ring in the new year? How will you ring in the new year?